Good day, everyone. It's Cyrus Yuri. Today, we're gonna be introducing myself. It's my first vlog. I'm starting the YouTube channel right now. First, my full name is Cyrus Yuri Ivan M. David, and I live in the Philippines. I'm age 14. 14, 14. Yeah, 14. And I'm currently a student from Manila, Boys Town. You guys heard of it? No, that's very rare. Yeah, very rare school, you know. And today, I'm just gonna be introducing myself. First, my favorite color is green. Yeah, green. Uh, my relationship status is single, for real single, because study first. Yeah, study first. And sport first. My sports is basketball. I'm varsity in basketball, varsity in volleyball, varsity in track, and I like badminton and soccer. Yeah. What else? What do you expect in the YouTube channel? I'm gonna be playing Roblox, Minecraft, a lot, like a lot. So stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. Stay with me, okay? And last, what else? I hope you guys watch and you will give me money. Yes, because I really need money right now. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not gold digging. What else? I think that's it for the introduction. Thank you guys for listening and see you next time. Peace.